All right, let's do Monday around the layout. I have unboxed more Village pieces and added them onto the layout. So I have 24. Starting over here, we have Snowy Hills Hospital, the house that Love built, then the Mayor's Mansion, Tudor House, Hidden Ponds, Lincoln Park, Hartford House, the green one back there, and then you have Boulder Springs, All Saints Church, Christmas Lake Chalet, the Hunting Lodge, Birch Run Ski Chalet, Smoky Mountain Retreat, Carriage House, Nick's Tree Farm, then the Tree House, Village Station, Moonlight Bay Bunk and Breakfast, Last Stop Gas Station, and then we go back up here to Oak Grove, Prairie House, the Snow Village Factory, Fisherman's Nook, and then Rock Creek Malt House. I think now that I have those ones up, I'm gonna pull probably Gracie's and put it on the town section, and then every section will actually have a building. So that is Monday's update.